Sometimes when an update is done, you need to install or to accept the new framework. So when you start a new program and you get that message and it speaks about framework, you just need to click OK so that the system will upload the new framework that is adapted for the new version of our system. Usually this happens once or twice in a year. So when it's done, then the system will continue to work. He will ask you for the department, and here I have an issue. I will try just to reopen. So sometimes the first time it opens after installing the framework, it's not working. It's not an issue. You just retry and it should work at the second try.